This video walks you through how to set up compensation history in Gusto. Once you are already signed into Gusto, start from the left-hand navigation menu and click People. This opens the area where employee records are listed. From there, find the employee whose compensation history you want to set up, then click that employee to open the profile. Inside the employee profile, go to the Information section and click Pay. This takes you to the page where the employee's pay details are stored. On that page, scroll down until you reach the Compensation section. When you are in the right section, click Edit to begin updating the compensation details that will be recorded in the employee's history. Now review the employee type and job title. Update either field if needed so the compensation record matches the employee's current role and classification. After that, enter the job start date. This date should reflect when the employee began the job tied to this compensation entry. Next, select the wage frequency that applies to this employee. After choosing the frequency, enter the wage amount. Make sure the frequency and amount match each other before moving on, since this is what Gusto will use to document the compensation update. If default hours apply for this employee, enter them in the default hours field. If that field is not relevant for the employee's pay setup, only complete it when needed. Then move to the Reason for Change field and add the reason for the update. This creates a record of why the employee's compensation is being changed, which helps keep the history clear when you review it later. After you have reviewed the details you entered, click Save to record the compensation change. Once the information is saved, you will return to the Compensation section of the employee's pay page. From there, click View Compensation History. This opens the employee's recorded compensation changes so you can confirm that the new entry appears in the history. Take a moment to look through the compensation history and verify that the updated record reflects the employee type, job title, start date, wage frequency, wage amount, default hours if used, and the reason for change you just saved. If the history looks correct, the setup is complete and the employee's compensation timeline is now documented in the profile. Thanks for watching. The employee's compensation change is now saved and visible in compensation history in Gusto.